Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a VPS and getting files ready. Use Ubuntu 22.04 for compatibility. Select 14V CPU and 14GB RAM depending on load. Once chosen, generate an SSH key and connect. Make sure to enable a basic firewall like UFWA and allow SSH plus web ports. Next, upload your bot repository and environment file containing API tokens. This ensures you're ready to install dependencies and run the bot without delays. You now install and configure the runtime. First, update the OS packages, then install Python, pip, and virtualenv, create a virtual environment, and install dependencies from requirements. TXT. Once done, export or write environment variables into env file and load them for testing. Run the bot script manually to verify startup and logs. If it works, use screen for a quick detach or prepare a systemd service file so the bot restarts automatically and starts on boot. This prevents. You finish by making the bot a managed service. Write a concise systemd unit that points to your venv and executable, then enable and start it so it survives reboots. Configure log rotation and automated security updates, and add fail2ban plus periodic backups. If something goes wrong, consult the journal logs and verify environment variables and file permissions. Also confirm the external API isn't rate limiting you. Once resolved, restart the service and monitor for a few minutes to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.